Hey guys, it's Tim McCamus out in the fab shop tonight. I'm going to do a little intro video on this little red pile of shit right here. And we do a lot of chassis and chassis kits for the last 15, 20, I don't even know how long, forever. We've been getting calls to do chassis kit for these little Fox Body cars. So all of my guys up front in the sales department are Fox Body fanatics. So we picked it up and we're doing a chassis kit. So we are at a state now where we've got that all completed, all the dimensioning's done, all the tubes are bent. So this is it. So we have, we've went through and basically integrated our chassis design into this body. These kits are done and ready to ship. So we have, I know several of you guys have been waiting on them, but we do have all of the work done, all the design work done, all the blueprints are done. So everything is ready to go. Came out really nice. We spent some time to, we really like the Racetech seats. So we spent a lot of time working in that area of the chassis to make sure that that Racetech seat was going to fit in there properly and have plenty of room, and it turned out great. We highly recommend that seat. If you can't use it for fitment issues, then you know it's okay. You can do a pour in, but this is really what should be in these cars is a nice quality Racetech seat. So think about that when you're buying it. It's worth the money to buy a nice seat. Okay, we've been using these for years and years, and we've been using them for 25 years, I guess, at least. And they've been tested. We've had guys test them in some very extreme issues, and they hold up good. But it fits in really nice in this chassis. There's plenty of headroom. There's plenty of room for the funny car cage. The design on this is very clean. It's very tight to the body. We did make this fit with some of this inner structure still left in here. So we did a lot of research on this, and for the most part, it seemed like a lot of these cars were built with this little structure in here. It's just this little sheet metal structure still here on the sides and in the front. So we did get the design for the tubing to fit inside of that. Same thing down here on the rockers. We're leaving that stock rocker inner and outer shell piece together. You could trim that out if you wanted to, but this kit's specifically designed to leave it in there and to fit flush against that lower rocker inner structure. Came out really good. Our man Bob worked on this for a couple of weeks and got all the kinks worked out of it. We've got good locations on everything, good shock positioning. Everything's really nice on it. So this kit is available now, and it is going to be complete. Tubes are all bent. You're going to have to do a little notching, but it's going to fit exactly like you see here. Very nice design. It's got some variables for the wheelbase, a couple of things are options. You can do a 25.1 or 25.2 chassis. If you got any questions, give our guys a call. They'll be happy to help you out, but these are ready to go and you can order yours today. They're very easy to put together. If you watch some of our previous videos, we've got some nice build segments that will take you through everything on this to put it together. So check it out. Talk to our guys up front and they will be glad to help you out.